to day one conservative, get through it, try and set a good pace, get up there in the top. Going to day two, we're going to push a little bit harder and try and pick it up. So come out of it with the win. We want to end the season on a strong note, so this is a chance to do it.
Our strategy is really kind of basic. We're going to push the car where we can. We're going to conserve the car in the rough spots. There's a couple really brutal spots out there that we're a little concerned about, but we feel like if we can keep it calm, we're not going to have a problem out there with our Lone Star suspension and our Fox shocks. Not going to be a problem.
Thanks to people.
Thanks to Polaris, Lone Star Racing, Fox Shocks, Ashton over here, he kept me calm the whole time. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't probably be here. So thanks to him, thanks to Racing Hill, Harrison Tires, Tire Walls, all the friends, family, everybody that helps us. It's a great time. Thanks to Norm for putting on a good event. It's our first time racing with Norm. We came away with the W, so we're happy.
Don't forget more. Make it store/more. This race is called. Good job.
Yeah, thank you.
And don't forget, you guys.